So what are we doing today?
We're shade treeing this AC line.
That's right. That's right. You know, because you did such a horrible job on the last one. I just had to come back and make sure your work stood for itself, right?
Yeah.
That's right.
I don't know. I mean that car will freeze you out, so I must have done something right. Huh?
That's right. That's right.
You know all them kids that
YouTube mechanics, huh?
Yeah. They think they can see it on YouTube and do it.
That's right. So huge thank you to Ishmael. All jokes aside, we've got this AC line going in. We got the old one right here. Would have been able to use it, but the problem is it creased right here where it was previously chewed up. You can see it creased and it was leaking. It wouldn't hold a vacuum. So long story short, $200 later with the new line from GM. And we bent this one to get around the custom alternators. And now we're gonna have AC again in the street truck. Well, we're getting the vacuum put on it. Huge thank you to Ishmael and the spectators. Right?
Yeah.
Right?
This is always a spectator sport. I wish I could spectate.
That's right. You gotta be certified to spectate though.
No.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah. You could be done to the rock and spectate and talk shit.
Shit, man. Well, I had to make sure you weren't a phony. I had to come back, you know?
Well, I don't know, man. You know, last time.
That's right. My car's still cooling pretty good, if I'm gonna be honest.
Is it still freezing you out?
Even though
we did it wrong.
That's right. We did it wrong.
Holy shit, boy. I think I've got a problem in here.
What is it?
I've got a bobcat problem. Look at this print.
Huh. Golly.
He's fixing to become a barn cat for somebody else, not here no more.
Right.
He's fixing to get evicted. Skeety kitty.
Yeah.
She needs a friend, doesn't she?
Hell no, she fights everything that comes around, but
I wouldn't blame her.
So you're kicking the out, huh? You said pay rent or get out.
Ask for cash. Is that the way they say it?
Yeah, ask for cash, that's right. Getting the AC charged up right now. Vacuum held, good to go. And thank you for Dad for bringing his gauges, because long story short, Ishmael's set of gauges that he has, they were just a little loose fitting and they were leaking a tad bit. I think it sounds good. I mean,
like you're about to take off.
about to take flight.
Yep.
Yeah, we got body roll. Body roll for sure. Did you feel it or what? Did you get scared?
No.
We made it. We're on the scales. We're gonna see what she weighs, and it's only got about 50% diesel, so I don't know. We'll see what it reads, and then I'll be back. Oh, come on. Damn, she's heavy. 7,660 pounds. Plus me in there. Hell, she's about 7,800. Damn it. Yeah, she's heavy. So everybody that says she's light, she's not light at all. Just take a guess how much you think this thing weighs. Just take a guess. Wild assumption and guess.
4,678.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know.
You're real good at math.
I don't know.
4,678, okay. Well, this thing weighs 7,680 pounds with half a tank of diesel in it right now.
7,000?
Yes. 680 pounds is what the scale showed. 660, 680.
So it's just off by 3,000 pounds. It's okay.
Yes, you were in here, so minus your weight, but...
Are you saying I'm 3,000 pounds?
Yeah. Yeah. What's really the heaviest is this rock right here. That's what's the heaviest. It's heavy on the wallet. It's even heavier on the trying to win races. Can you believe this damn thing weighs 7,500 pounds?
No.
So there you go. We drove all the way over here just to weigh it. But it was helpful information. That's what I wanted to know. So by itself, it's 7680. And then again, that's with 50% diesel.
So if you had a full
Tank of diesel, yeah, it's every bit of 7,700 pounds by itself. That's what I should have done. I should have had you get out.
Well, you can turn around.
Nah, it's fine. For a heavy truck, this thing moves.
Yeah.
This thing f***ing scoots. Everybody says, oh, it's lighter, it's lighter, it's lighter, it's lighter, you're lighter. Well, I'm not that light in here, if we're gonna be honest. A gasoline single cab is way lighter than
absolutely.
this. But they also got a smaller motor, smaller transmission, smaller frame. It weighed more than you thought it did.
Yeah. That's why I said 4,000. I didn't know how much it was gonna weigh.
The car weighs 4,000.
Oh, so the car is that much. The reason why I even came up with that number is because I remember seeing that number somewhere. I couldn't remember which vehicle it was that.
Yeah. So the car is about 4,200 pounds with you and me in it.
And the truck is.
With you and me in it, 7,800. Alright, we're fat. We're fat.
Hey, we're working on it. We're trying to do some weight reduction.
Yeah, I know. Just edit you out.
Sweet joke button.
That's right. Well, I used to work out. When I started the channel, I was still working out a decent little bit.
I know.
But I wasn't working out to gain muscle. I was working out to maintain / burn body fat. I put my money right about in there, in the middle of this thing. I want to hear what see what it. You got it?
Yeah.
Wow, look at you. Okay, we got new windshield wipers on the car. I did do it.
I did it.
I did it. You don't have the video proof.
You don't even have the video proof. Oh wait, I do have the video proof. It is recording.
All right, well, thanks for helping me out. It's been a successful day so far. I got a new fender liner coming. I'm gonna replace this, and it's got all cracked here, but also we're gonna recut. I asked Ishmael if he would help me. We're just gonna try to recut and fabricate it differently. I guess you could say, but we're getting a full mid-pipe, X-pipe this go around, so it's only going to be pretty much 3-inch all the way into the back where it gets to the mufflers, so it's pretty awesome. But a huge thank you to the Auto Clinic and Johnny and Robbie and Sarah. I do appreciate it. So get this thing pretty much finished up is what he's doing. He's checking fitment and everything, but overall, really good shop. So far, the work's been really good. I've been happy with it. Matter of fact, the part that they fixed for me last time wasn't the piece that blew out. The piece that blew out, I'll show y'all. So the piece that blew out over here, you can see this is the factory piping that I didn't replace. You know, I think she had a little bit of pressure, so they can get you taken care of. And how they do it, you can see how they do custom stuff as well. If you are in the area, don't hesitate to stop by and try to get scheduled in. So. Alrighty, so we pretty much had to swap out the Maraca muffler that we got over there. Maraca Corsa. Okay, there you go. So we're swapping out mufflers. Huge thank you to Corsa for doing their warranty and sending me a new muffler. After about 10-15 minutes of with it, and we got the new one on, and we're about to fire it up, see what it sounds like. Surely it ain't gonna be that rattling like it was.
It's blue!